Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ramadinda Utami DS. In this video, I will explain how to write scientific articles to fulfill my English exam. Produce procedure for writing scientific articles. Scientific work is a fairly common prerequisite in educational institution to achieve a certain level of education, of course. Creating your own scientific articles is not as easy as creating articles that you usually read on several online sites. There is a special way to write scientific articles with the same scientific rules. This this means that the content of the scientific article itself is a statement that can be interpreted and is empirical and in accordance with reality, or at least with the results of studies and research, and have been carried of previously. For this reason, it is necessary to understand how to write a scientific paper in order to produce quality writing. Following is the complete review. First, determine the topic of the research as well as the writing method. Determine the topic and choose a writing method that is appropriate and relevant to the topic taken. It is best if the topic and method chosen are already mastered by the writer of the scientific article to make it easier to write later. Second, create a concise and descriptive title. The title should contain the broad content of the article. This is an opportunity to grab the reader's attention. In this way, remember that the first reader is the editor. Apart from that, readers are potential writers who will quote articles. Third, write abstract. Abstract written in English and Indonesian contains about core problem or research background, research method or solution problems, and the result obtained. The word abstract is printed in bold. The number of words in abstract is no more than 250 words. Abstract is equipped with keywords consisting of 3 to 5 words that become the essence of the description of abstraction. Keywords are printed in bold. Fourth, select keywords for indexing. Keywords are used to index scientific articles. When searching for keywords, avoid words with broad meanings and words included in the title. Five, create an interesting introduction. The introduction contains the background, research context, urgency, problems, result of the primary literature review, which forms the basis of the research. The results, previous research relevant to the study research, and research objectives. Rather, it is highly recommended to use reference reputable journal articles from the latest issues to serve as a basis for research. 6. Write down the research result. This section contains summary findings from scientific articles, therefore only Representative results from your research should be presented, and later it will be included in the discussion chapter. Most importantly, you should not include reference in these sections. You are presenting your results, so you cannot refer to others here. If you refer to others, it is because you are discussing your result and it should be included in the discussion section. 7. Present the result of the discussion. In this section, you describe what you got from the result. You need to write a discussion according to the result, but do not repeat writing the research result. Here you need to compare the results published by the reference journal with your own, or using some of the reference included in the introduction. 8. Present in conclusion and suggestion. The conclusion contains a brief summary on results of research and discussion. Conclusion or research findings in the forms of answer to research question of research purpose. Research result provide suggestion or contribution to application and or development of knowledge. 9. Prepare picture and tables. Don't let your scientific articles present scientific information and presentation only with written descriptive content. Also add pictures and table or diagrams to support the information presentation model to make it more effective and easy to read. How to create scientific articles using an interactive models like the will make scientific articles straightforward and easy to understand. 10. Everything list, listed in the bibliography must be referenced and the manuscript up-to-date references very priority. Okay, that's all I can explain. If there are many errors or omission, I apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.